Assalamu alaikum, grade 1, and welcome to your computing class. I am your ma'am, Omama. And in today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that how we can use the browser and what are hyperlinks. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen with you. Tell me if it is visible to you or not. Let's quickly revise what we have already discussed or what we have already learned. This is a web page, and how this web page has been opened by clicking on the browser. And the browser that I'm using is Google Chrome. Got it? And then we discussed in yesterday's class that there are a lot of browsers which are available, and you can use any of that. And browser is what? It's a software that we installed in our computer that let us look at different things on internet. Got it? Now this is a web page, and this web page is basically for searching. Whenever we want to search for something, we click on the browser and this web page opens in front of us. And on that there are two search bars. The one is over there and the second one is over here. And if we click on both of these search bar, it takes us first we click on this, then we type with the help of the keyboard, and then we press enter, and it takes us to the next page, or the page where we want to, or the topic where we what we search for. On this page, some other important things are these two arrows. If you click on this one, as it is written that click to go back. If you click on this one on the left arrow, it will take you to the backward page. And if you click on this one, it takes you to the forward page. Beside this, there is this turned arrow over there. This is used for refreshing. If let's say you were searching for something and your internet got disconnected, so and the video, or let's say something which you were searching for, this got interrupted, so you will click on this, it will reload the page or refresh the page for you. Got it? Now today, in today's class, we will also be discussing what is hyperlink, right? So hyperlink can be a text, it can be an image, it can be a document, it can be a link on which if you click, it leads you to the next page basically, or next thing, right? So what we will be searching, we will be searching for the animals in the rainforest. Animals in the rainforest, right? Now here, if I click on this link, this is a link, this was a hyperlink on which when I click, this new web page has been opened for me, right? And why we call it as a web page? Because it is displaying all of the information which I needed at one time, right? I needed information about animals in rainforest, and it has collected all that information and showed it to me. So it's a web page. Now over there are a lot of things written. Let's say on this text which is being highlighted in yellow color, that 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. Now this is highlighted. Let's say if I click on this, a new web page has been opened for me. So we can call that line on which when I click, it leads me to the next page, we can call it as a hyperlink, which was there, so that when I click on it, it leads me to the next page, right? So hyperlink can be a text like this. Now similarly, there is this picture of gorillas. If I click on this, okay, this is not taking us to the next, so we cannot call it as over here. The heading is blue morpho butterfly. If I click on this, it has taken me to the next page, which is solely for blue morpho butterflies. So this was also a hyperlink. Similarly, if there is a picture, let's say this one, it says that make your gift go further and greener with the money, help conserve forests. So how we can help conserve forests, or let's say there are some more things over there, some more topics, 11 amazing rainforest animals. If I click on this, it has taken me to another page. So the things on which, the image, the text, the document on which when you click, it leads you to another page is known as hyperlink. Got it? So through this, what we learned that the first, what is a browser? The browser is a software which enables us to search for something, right? And when we click on that, it gives us a lot of information, and through that we can search for, or we can look for anything whatever we want to. Then we talked about the web page, and I told you that web page, why we call it as a web page, because it's the page that gathers all the information that we needed on a single page, and then presented to us, right? Then we also discussed that about the two arrows. If we click on the left arrow, it takes us to the backward page, and if we click on the right one, it takes us to the forward page. And one more thing that we have discussed was that what is a hyperlink. So I have told you that a hyperlink can be a text, it can be an image, it can be a video, that, and it can be a link as well written like this link over there which is written this link. When you will click on this, it will take you to the next page, right? Or if you copy paste this, it will open the next page for you. So a link is basically a lead to the next page or the next web page. So when you will click on that, it will take you, let's say these are two things that what we are doing and what you can do. When you click on this, it has given you another more options. Now let's say if you click on the livelihoods, it will open the next web page for you. Got it? So these are the hyperlinks which leads us to the next pages. Now let's read what is in your book as well. One way to move to a new web page is to click on a hyperlink. A hyperlink is an electronic link. The link allows you to move from one place on a website to another place on the same website or a different website. It can be on the same website or it can be on the different as well. A hyperlink can be made of letters. They might be underlined or bold or a different color. Like there was a heading which was bold and in yellow color, right? So I get the idea that this is a hyperlink. And a picture can be a hyperlink too. That let's say there is this picture, when you click on that, it leads you to the next page. And there is this example of it, the picture hyperlink in your book. This was a web page in which four pictures were given of a snake, of a tiger, a monkey, and a bird. When you click on this, this was a hyperlink. It takes you to the next web page. So this picture was a hyperlink, right? So from this, what we get to know that a hyperlink can be anything. Now what is your class assignment? You are supposed to open the browser, whatever browser you have, search for any topic, click on the hyperlinks, and show me that how many other pages or how many other web pages you have opened from there, right? Hurry up, open your browsers. Hurry up, start practicing. Let me know if you need any kind of help, okay? Yes, all of you are done. Is there any confusion? No? Okay, good. Now, what is your home assignment? You are supposed to find out about one way through which we can help look after rainforests. So you will be searching it on Google, then click on hyperlinks, read about it on multiple pages, multiple web pages, got it? And then in tomorrow's class, share it with me that what you have studied and what were the ideas through which we can help look after the rainforest. That was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the class. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. Take care. Allah Hafiz.